So let's take a look on how we are creating a proxies and what are they for actually. If you have an object, in our case I just picked up a tree. Actually, if we work with the tree in our scene, it will be pretty much heavier than if we use a proxy. So that's the reason why we need to convert it into a proxy object, because the proxy means that the object doesn't exist in our scene, just information about it is just into our scene, and we need to prepare our object before we create it in a proxy. We need just to attach all the elements of the object in one and to fix all the texture maps. If you have in our scene, with right button you need to press on V-Ray Mesh Export and to choose the output away where our proxy will be saved, and the name automatically create proxy and the number of faces you want to see after when we convert it, and just press OK, and that's the way how our proxy looks. And if you go through a couple of the options there, you can see that you can choose to see the proxy as a box or just points. If you have in our scene, I just prepared a terrain and the proxy of our tree. We need to spray it around, and for that reason I'm gonna do this quick just by using Photorealistic Pro. But before doing this I need to clear all material path is set it in the right way. So I go to Photorealistic Pro and select terrain with the object. I need to cover it with my desired proxies on it. So by default the Photorealistic is just putting some objects from the render from their own library, but I need to go to custom objects and to choose my proxy, and let's go through very quick the options of the Photorealistic, and you can play with the numbers of the objects on your scene and transform and so on and so on. There is also of course another different techniques. So in here, for example, if I'm gonna show very quick with how I'm doing this with Solburn script, and by choosing object painter, just select the object I'm painting on and the object I'm gonna paint with. Just choose the brush and start painting, but you need to adjust the right steps and the brush density and size, so to fix the right numbers and the way how you would like to spread your trees on the terrain. And these two ways we're gonna discover how they works more in details in the next video tutorials, but that's for now. Just I hope you're happy with how we are creating our proxy, and this is the way how we editing some if we want to change some details in our proxy, you just need to press on import as mesh, and the same object will appear exactly in the center of our scene. But the bad news is just it loses all the texture and materials on it, so you need to fix again all the materials in your objects